exploit speaks in fractured tones, past twisted roots and buried bones. Its current hums with ghostly breath, a song of dreams long drowned in death. We drift through woods where shadows cling, and silent crows forget to sing. Each paddle stroke, a measured toll, a rhythm carved from heart and soul. The exploit weaves its magic route through wide rapids that only the brave will tell. This echoed rhythm my dreams recall, the song of my stroke, my paddles call. The exploit speaks in fractured tones, its calls of future, adventure flows in our bones. This is my river, this is my story, the path it flows, healing of my soul. We drift through woods where shadows cling, and silent crows forget to sing. Each paddle stroke, a measured toll, a rhythm carved from heart and soul. We drift through woods where shadows cling, and silent crows forget to sing. Each paddle stroke, a measured toll, a rhythm carved from heart and soul. The exploit weaves its magic route through wide rapids that only the brave will tell. This echoed rhythm my dreams recall, the song of my stroke, my paddles call. The exploit speaks in fractured tones, its calls of future